Hey guys, it's John with Salt, Pepper, and Fire. If you're new to the channel or been here a while, I just want to say I thank you for stopping by. And if you are new, take a look around. If you like what you see, consider giving me a subscribe. So today I will be smoking tri-tip, so stick around, let's get it. All right, so this is the tri-tip I picked up from Mike's Meat. It is a little under 3 pounds. You can see it's $7.49 a pound. It's a pretty good marbling. So we are going to get this out of the package and maybe get a little bit of the fat off, see if it's any gray skin, and we will be ready to season after that. So stick with me. All right, so here we are. Pretty good looking piece of meat here. Looks like the butcher got it a little bit right here when it's cut. Pretty thick fat cap, so I'll probably try to get a decent amount of this off. So just go ahead and start knocking it back. A good sharp knife do the trick for you in trimming. So I claim to be the best, but make it work. Okay, so I'm gonna call that good, and we will go ahead and get some flavor layers on this. I'll be using just my regular, I'll just be using my regular salt pepper here. I've added a little bit of garlic to this mixture, so we'll just hit it with that. All right, so the season is finished. I'm gonna let this sit for about 20 to 30 minutes to sweat in, and I will be getting the grill ready. And once I get that ready, we'll bring it out and put it on, so stick with me. All right, so we are about to put the tri-tip on the Weber. My plan is to try to keep the grill between 260 and 275 for the cook. I will check on it periodically and see where we are. I haven't decided if I'm going to wrap or just let it go all the way unwrapped, but we will get it on. We will check it periodically and I will bring you back. All right, so the tri-tip is off and running. The grill is running at about 247, and we are internal of 62. We're 62 right now. So we will just continue to monitor the temps and watch the progression, and I'll bring you back. All right, so let's see how we're looking. We're getting some good color. It's like the bark is good and set. So I'm thinking I may go ahead and wrap this and finish it off and wrap. All right, guys, so the tri-tip is finished. It smells great, and you just saw me cut. Has a little bit of moisture. Could have been a little bit more moist, but I think it's still gonna be good. So I am going to get the Pitmaster's Corner. Check this out. It's like a nice little burn in. See how we done. Good bark, very good flavor, very tender. I think it's gonna be pretty enjoyable. As always, I wanna thank you for stopping by the channel. I really appreciate it. Please give me a comment on this. Tell me how you do your tri-tip. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like, and please consider subscribing, and we will see you guys next time. I'm out.